follow the activities on TikTok until Nhyira in the band. But I think that there's a lot of misinformation. There's a lot of misinformation there. Again, I also think that there's a lot of things people are saying that is not accurate.
Oh, okay.
Now, the lady was not in prison for threatening President Mahama.
Okay.
The lawyer spoke. Lawyer the one camera for KP. In fact, when you look at the reported things that are coming up, this is what the lawyer said. According to a lawyer, the convicted Camilla on the count of offensive conduct. So the official reason why this lady was jailed 1 year is offensive conduct. There's nowhere where he said he was charged for what?
Insulting the
president or threatening the president. The other offense was a 2 count. Count 2 in the offensive conduct. Count 1, court can say we need jurisdiction to sit on the electronic communications as our offense. It falls under the 2008 Electronic Communications Act. And I know the from a district court you go to a circuit and a high court, maybe a high court to sit on that matter.
Okay.
And on a press release about said those who are jailing 1 year on count 1, court he is close to the duty to sit on such account and charge it. Now that's it. Senior, for those who followed my politics for a long time, and then I was our view.
Okay.
I'm against people being jailed for speech. Where I draw the line is when people are threatened. Into me van question, me Eugene Osei-Tutu. O come here, my personal channel now Google Abronya. When Abronya was insulting the IGP and what he went through, I said it was wrong. If the IGP feels slighted by what Abronya, he should take the civil route and sue him for defamation. But when he threatened the judge, I drew a line and said that the state must prosecute him. Because threat is different from just saying, I'm preaching, that's different. If you think I've defamed you, sue.
Okay, so what constituted the offensive conduct?
Yes, so the offensive conduct is a no kind 32 cows and it's no. But you see, threat of harm is different from offensive conduct. Let me know what let me do what them offensive conduct. But me can't say me chase a can also. See about what I say.
Okay.
So a man for a cancer, let's get the right. You can criticize the lady. I have no problem going to criticize her.
Okay.
But let's criticize her based on fact. She was convicted on offensive conduct, which is a misdemeanor. The maximum sentence is 3 years.
Okay.
The judge spoke and said that they appealed for the judge to let her go. But the judge said that social media.
So in the offensive conduct, a derogatory statement or the far president.
Yes.
And some more tree president.
Yes. Yes. So bounce a man friend say yes, what there's nothing. Now that's it. The fact that I don't support the jail doesn't mean I endorse a behavior. When you want to even criticize people, you can make a distinction.
That's right.
Say Mahama economy no. Enya bad say no so enye good say da ha. Eti emfa what time preachum analysis of statements na waka. Look at the statement distinctively.
That's right.
And do the analysis. You may not like Eugene Osei-Tutu. But some because inflation, current inflation says 5.something. So figure no. Enya time at the time it's be challenge figure. Fact. Yes. As an open boy. 95 ni 16.63. So me can time in the best up sanity fact. So I don't know if you get it.
Yes.
So we can distinctively address issues without bringing in elements that are not factual. There's nowhere the lady was charged with threat of
No. Does she even have the capacity to even threaten the president?
You can make threatening statement, but I'm saying that the count on which she was convicted is offensive conduct.
Right.
There's nowhere where she was charged with threat. That's it.
Okay.
I don't endorse me. Time I me YouTube video. On the critical nature, me videos. I couldn't put some of them in my video.
Okay.
In all honesty. And then me say, when you're a young person, I'll be the last person to tell you not to criticize government. After all, what? We pay our taxes to them. Senior answer what to do. So abandon the usike BB and abandon ye be now as a citizen of the country. Why will I be the one to stop you from criticizing? But I always use a word, and I learned it from Justice. If you want to criticize, two basic principles: you must be decorous, you must have candor. Decorous here. And you see, sebe. Means say president kwasia.
Debbie. Papa need to feel
exactly. And senior, one fully much the adu emeka. Omu posti President Mahama na President Kufuor ba mi pictures akọ comment na say.
Okay.
In general, me posti ibi wo kojo pon kro my bra Jojanda true because man for just say kojo pon na ka Jojanda mu ko tro ye. So ni Jojanda.
Yes. Former
MTN.
Yeah. Corporate.
Guinness.
Yeah.
Globe big corporate go call 4 years for true book.
Yeah.
Video ne da me Facebook say Eugene say to come you to critical analysis and short and da ko kan.
Enu mu no kan say
politician e di agora, yes one jate di agora.
That's right.
Politician bi enu wo interest. One politician ya de na ahwem ina ne use na hu bi use na hu ne use. That is the book Jojanda wrote and Kojo Punkman read up. Senior gay me pay attention to story no. Man who demonstration for her. Man who free Camilla. The creme de la creme lawyers of the MPP. I didn't see them going for her. In fact, do you know what was most sad? Apparently, when she was arrested, she was convicted on her own plea. Or pleaded guilty.
Yes.
And brother lawyers for any bomb who cool. And also, obe changing the plea court and for that too, I disagree with the court. At any point in time of a trial, per what the lawyers are telling you, can change your plea. So I'm very surprised the Ghana police didn't afford the courtesies and hear the motion a lawyer filed to change a plea. So senior, but the bottom line of why I want to talk about this is that Sabe. Only my dear man real who gave you. Then I'm a video on YouTube, not many cratete. Apparently police for friend. Car will need you or mammy and son. It's in your band, maybe or no motor. You know what the time this is here. And I won't call in your band man was a saying the police were from a catch him so when Yama cry. It's in your band man who motor to a court, no a question, no a fool to no quack cry from a wood. Now the senior back rat motor so from Kaswa cry to the man so the Madina cry senior. And I know to baby I made it in a wood to inside or comment as Anna man said me follow. Tia I'm so may pay in a damage to track a credit to you to Nedamaka credit. Senior, I mean make us a cause of my emotion. So I don't agree with the judge that she should be due. But the judge says something that to serve as a precedent. You see?
And yes, no.
But they be an mekasa ye dey hoko. Share my example. Dennis Racco. Everybody who knows me knows that Dennis is someone I relate to on a lot of things.
Okay.
But me dey be when I'm analyzing people, I will be bejana ye kasem go say Eugene what any pa na maintain ni pa no. Chairman want to meet studio ah. Ona na kojo jantoa. No more election data. Oye mistake be correcting no we anymore. Oye sika de maame. Oni ye raba na hene na bai. It me bejana ka want to me as ma maintain want to me. But as a journalist, they be ameka. My fidelity is to the truth. It's not to relationships. Say relationship that get me down. It was about already where communication. Me na ya juma I ask me here present mama data you know they send me. Your friendship about some mama make me. Some me just say mama make then what's my journalist? And I'm a journalist.
Yeah.
What I say?
Yeah.
What point when na me? So I come back to her. Dennis Miracle there no. On a Tuesday, yet me ma see you for say. But I won't say omo wie no mo ko That's one question. The second question is that Ghana na purposefully record any no. Muyi papa muyi ba unhu scan here de share nsa no. Say 100 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Kwasi bo twe ba no. So hu ne car na picture na e ba na nsa be gum. Okay. To ma no ma wie. Obi so ka se e be ma na 150 cedis na de akodi banku. Se videos in on TikTok.
Yes.
Sisi nya buza won say oje 150 ni se nipa no okwen. Obo na nyame amwa na car bi twifa so na wu ya. Me na madum no to metima som. I remember so is in my.
Okay.
Omo ebusua kra be den hu achi abrante ya na o hyese be tu ye bisa se bibi be ye oge na ni mani o ka sa demonstration obi ani abom wo
yes
the purpose we na ko mani na wu a o wen
let my vote count for no
yes o wen so de bia mi gira me ka cho se wo yu fu no pe bibi ye hey be follow with test ko ni ade ba ade bi wo ho na wo koye na yowo ne nkwanta ene ade a na wo kasem ya fo bi hu a you can criticize criticize president Mahama on many things I disagree with them galam say onya ade me nyina hankan
yeah
but me say president kwasia
that be
mean Chantro deliberately lie on the president. That's why we do the task screen. So everything we are saying is based on documented facts. Do that. But Mr. I'm a politician, be a man 100 city 200 and Kuramians. And your Bema or Ba. Yes, you say 1 year, technically 9 months. Senior, say 1 day cry, man. Look at the state you put your case through. Ghana, how only criminal record cry? Where criminal conviction? Only criminal record cry now, there, you must now what criminal record. It's anything to you. I don't support this, and it's based on see. Abronye, what you show me, I may me But me, I always analyze things and put feelings aside.
That's all.
He's not my favorite person.
Yeah.
But what was method that is wrong, and that is what I always want young people to do. You can dislike somebody, but when the person is going through something that is wrong, you tell them. Like you did to Dennis Miracle.
Right.
You don't arrest somebody on a Saturday, and the only time he sees the lawyer is Monday, as at 2 p.m. It's not right. You don't need to like Dennis Miracle to criticize that because every Ghana police check Caleb Kuda. So okay. No more testing Caleb Kuda through the phone to Abubedu nearly to kidnap her.
Yes.
When they did that silly thing, some of us stood on Facebook and criticized it. And ebi a support to and unse and as Anglophone supporting and now no more complaining. That's why I always say, when we are criticizing state agencies and you want them to do the right thing, support us because they have power now one and
that's right. That's right.
Power is transient. And then I want 2 minutes I just say power. Missing James I'm a more example. When you arithmetic mistake, I can't PP do the PROs for the EC. Because advancements are not Kodia. Musano. I said you can see you must be meaning to me because of a blikuma. Because he's a catch up say better than Akamuno. Let them see him go to. That is why I say that. Let's get state agencies to work. Devoid of our political religious extractions.
Yes.
Because someone ya jumani ya who position be benefit. Then yetimi chiubi. Now almost 48 hours without a legal counsel. Is it right? There some I've criticized the comment in our can, but I check girl. That's at the time I taking the plea based on calls I've made, and the Ghana police has not denied it. The girl that they have legal counsel. Is it fair? There's a reason why say they say that keep quiet. There's a reason why they read your Miranda right to you. There's a reason why a lawyer must be by your side. That doesn't mean I endorse the Munu no can. For me, you do say to make cancer something president mama. So I won't endorse it.
Sure, right.
And right, but look at the processes she's going through. Is it fair? Is it fair? Because you see, you can't hear de. Oh, and the MPP did Angelina. And this is now that. And the history of the Fourth Republican dispensation has proven it. 2016, then I go Kruma. President good for them this year told you. President Kufuor himself started on campaign.
Yes.
After 8 years, they launched the biggest comeback in the Fourth Republican dispensation.
Sure.
So it tells you that power and politics, power especially, is transient. And when you are dealing with people, when you have power, you must be careful, especially when you are vulnerable.
That's right.
On 1.4 name, you met me. That's when I couldn't be where 24 hours. Young performance on my conjibo Libya 8 weeks. And we are saying and saying.
It's a Tianyape.
It's a Tianyape. It would TV so can be for penny be who any BB. They be me when I started this journalism. I've never been queried. I've never been sued for anything. As some no mean to me can a subject because my subjective view. A fact. Yeah, you feel to your home for.
Yeah.
And senior, I don't know whether I follow TikTok. You see, even the profanity. Na se me ko hu ade bi ese abranti bo no call life e ma ba se do mro mo hu a no send you muska TikTok no are the custom session one enya for you no custom session one yeah the other countries the social media look at how they are leveraging social media to better their lives Kwadwo sell them they've used social media to change their lives
in a positive way.
And then yet me friends will me give you a flight amano any idea. Politicians are doing it. You don't know what trap game. Yeni yana kufubi kodi campaign to Kumasi a Sancho car echo the new movie. Politics now would be a change obi tem super pen then a wenya. O me dear in Ukraine, yes, sir. One president, mama, and president, vice president, Bamia meet. Look at the bromance and camaraderie between them. Look at the justice look at the bromance and the camaraderie between them. But here for more for the answer for no.
Now when you say they have a partner say, yeah, as you say, you know, we had the opposite side, you know, the kind of say, Abayins said they will say transient. Abayins is son, as a son. Is it some who say, Sasam Mokana, yeah, no much say. Do they manipulate the court system?
No, it has become a vicious cycle and our politics is vindictive. It's a question what the Indian question about will be kind of Jena make us say we need to make so threaten President Eugene, President Mahama. I will never stand here and say something for her. That's what I'm saying, that distinction. Now, me view I want for them at them, but I've been consistent for the last. I went on social media in 2009. Just enough for me come senior high school.
Wow.
I mean, come 2013. Me 4 years in SHS. So me, when I take principal position, it's based on free speech there. Me dey me dream say if you think someone at me, you go say to me, I can't say me brave. And no be say NDC ama me prado. Me twi prado.
No onka kala nka we.
De o de me ba. O de basic me no me twi prado.
Dabi.
Me twi prado da. But unso waka. Ti me lesa me feel say one issue you take a civil route. That's one of the solutions. If you feel slighted by anybody's insulting, you take a civil route. Recently, Nyama police are making video mukume. I think appeal the bad this.
Yes.
You take a civil route. Then also, even media, we are part of. Sometimes we also give our platform to people to spew these things.
Sure.
So it's a collective thing that we all must address,
right.
And the political parties of fund it. Who say the one communication ministry if we be organized FLAC, FLAK, it's funded. Political parties fund. We've seen people are. NDC and PP, can send me say if I perform. Now, there was one way, my lebas intelligence screenshot of Modeba. You can't, today they're in political offices.
Yeah.
So it cuts across the political divide. But the American say, a Yibeye, Kremu Beye, Christy Beye, Koku Beye, BBNC.
Yeah.
A Yama Beye, BBC. It's we are saying, Unaman, why are they we? Near Prochu Mayor of a fan who did know. Ebia, Untimin found.
That's right.
That's what I say. And everywhere, it's like multimedia. There are certain things because of my longevity here, 6 years. There may be certain privileges I'll get that someone who came 1 month will not get. It's just normal and our life is. So I make us say, Obinya bail. Yeah, who tonto. Obi so nya be 25 so kufi. Until we ask no, who ye bibia, especially when the politicians have cognizance of the fact that they look out for their interest first.
That's right.
Before you.
That's
so
right.
Therefore, any action you take for a politician, think carefully about it as a young person. Because when you're careful about the time when you're penny, ebedino. Na sa baggage na wo de agu achi na no. Na be preventive.
No, say we also political talk.
Na be any political talk.
It was a political talk.
Yo, maybe you don't know. Now that's my first one. The second story is about this.